Assalamu alaikum, good morning. Just woke up in the morning and had nice breakfast and so on. And now we wanted to go outside, but what we saw, let me show you what I saw. What a walk. Go for a walk in this weather. No, I don't think we should go for a walk in this weather. As you see, a lot of rain, so walking and going out in this morning is not a good idea. Instead, I will try to have my daily workout here. Let's show you their fitness area. I really feel like this is a scam in Europe, European style scam. A very small room in this done the four-star European style hotel, and then they have written you have your own fitness in this hotel. What I see is just this bike machine and that one, which is very few dumbbells. Let's do whatever is possible here for half an hour or 45 minutes, and then we will go and enjoy the city. These are all the famous items or products or historic places which Hanover is famous for. I don't know if you know this milk butter biscuits, very famous. I remember it from when I was a child, tasting so good. I have actually bought one, I will show you later. This is their famous city hall. And you of course know this high quality batteries too. Let's explore this city. These kind of vans, have you seen them? They are so iconic, and of course their high quality tires too. Let's enjoy this city together today by car. The gym was very small but very good, and I am happy that I came and I did some workout. Alhamdulillah. So we just got the ticket for the upstairs. You need the ticket at the entrance hall, and it's about €4, around $5 for one adult. And if you have kids above 5 years, then they also have to pay So let's enjoy the area now together. The view of Hanover. Have you been here? Write in comment.
Schönen Tag noch.
This is Hanover Rathaus. If you are near Hanover, you have to come here. This is the place. Let's show you what you will experience here. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Where is he? Biba. Padre. Hele team Korean. Oh, denego.
Papa. Tabu.
Oh, abuji.
Tutu.
Oh, te abu. Oh, denego. Baby. Oh, she got scared.
Mimi. Oh no.
Da il veto da surzaidi. Australika da krima. Ugora da Australika da skajižos. Whoa. It's raining now and we got the perfect opportunity to go upstairs and enjoy the view. Now we will go to the mall. Come with us. Amida?
حبيبة
نيقبي أنا وارك بيبات
راسة بيكو
نعمك
راسة شعب
We just got nice food here in Hanover Al Hayat. A nice small pizza shop. And this is the walking street of Hanover. It was raining, but right now it's actually sunshine, nice weather. Now let's go to the mall, Ernst August Mall, the biggest of this city. هغه پات یو سټوټي درکې وګوره شاجامه چا دغه د کار دی غواړي دغه به د بیل تراشې سه شان درته راوړي دی ګوره دا شان ورته خلکو ته وروړي وینې هغه ماشین دی زیوه د اشپزخانې ته شان راخلي خلکو ته ورکوي او راټولوي هم اره on our way to Dortmund and Cologne, and the biggest mosque of Germany. Actually, it's built by the Turks. Let's enjoy that mosque and show all of the mosque's area and design to you guys. But first, 3 hours ride from Hanover to Cologne, or as they say, Cologne. اوس کښته کېږو اوس کښته روانه دی دا سړک د غره څخه کښته ووتو وګوره هغه په ښار کې بندنونه ډېر عمر نیسي په ښار کې دنونه به ډېر عمر نیسي Assalamu alaikum. Finally we reached Cologne. Now we will visit the mosque. It's almost 8 o'clock. Long journey today, but alhamdulillah very nice journey we had.
Papa.
Habiba says that too. Was it fun, Ikrima?
Yes. Yummy.
Let's go to the mosque now. دا لوړ ځای کې یو کاف او یو شی غواړي لکه د کولالمپور ته دی وس نه سبا Where is the mosque? Chahaya? Shadadi Mosque. Wow. Here it is. Wa alaikum assalam.
Destination
I have
Etihad.
seen it so much in. And they make azan loudly. Tövbe tövbe, estağfurullah.
Voetbal.
Oh. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Cologne. السلام علیکم. دا دی د اروپا قدرګردو غټ مسجد چې په د باندې مازان کوي په زور په کولن ښار کې دی. کولن ښار کې 2 میلیونه ترکان دي. دغه د زر ښکارا به کم دا مناری دي پاوی دا دغه دی پسې هلته دغه لري پارکینګ خپل ځای لري ګرد کیسې لري مقصد. The mosque has their own football club here. Wow. نو دا د مسجد خپل د فوټبال کلب دی او دغه پسې مسجد دی. څه خوندور ځای دی. داسې ښایسته هوا چې looking forward to enjoy praying in this mosque inshallah. Bismillah, La ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasulullah written there. اکریم از ما بوټونه خو راواخله. ما بوټونه راواخله دلته یې واچوه په دغه لاندې کې. MashaAllah, so beautiful. Ikrima. Hi, Ikrima. Yes. So this is the Mosque of Cologne, one of the biggest mosques. I see they have Sahaba names upstairs. Above that they have some Quran verses. And above those they have Asmaul Husna, Allah's 99 names. And on the sides they have names of the Prophet in Islam, mashallah. So let's show you the different places. Like the women's prayer area is there up, and also there in the other side. And then we have the member here. The member here for Friday prayer. Okay, Imam go up there, mashallah, all the way. So, to Kafel. Woman moving. And the Imam gives the lecture or the khutbah here. Let's show you that. And the prayer area is this one. MashaAllah, very nice. Ahmad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, Allah, and La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. The member. MashaAllah. How are you, Ikrima?
I'm good.
Okay, fine.
Yeah,
There you have the streets of Cologne. You see the sunlight is mashallah reflecting all the area. So beautiful. Ikrima urtu urta da bangi rasa. So this is Cologne city, mini Turkey, and we are enjoying some kebab here. Let's see what we get from this shop, Kebab Man. Let's enjoy the kebab in this historic shop.